Yeah, 810. Madhav. I given. Hey, are you got it? Yeah, getting. Yeah, I got it. So my drag 6 data items, ma. Data items. So mark one. Give the value mark. So not all should be data one. Every time it should be, because of that only you are getting errors. Data one, data two, like that it will come. Otherwise, it will treat renaming everything. Every time you have to take it. Not choice. Ma, go to pointer once. Click on pointer. Okay. Take data item. Keep there. Drag it like that. Data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4. Like that it will come. Is it coming now? Okay. Data 1. Double click it. Give subject marks. Mark 1. Enter mark 1 or subject 1. Okay. No issue. Subject 1. Data type as number. Initial value. Give some value. Either 60, 70, 80, like that. Then data 2. Subject 2. Yeah. Next one is total. Total. So data type is number. Don't give any initial value. Good. Next, average. It's also same number. No need to give initial value. Next, student grade. So what is the grade should be? It is in text. Text, not a number. Is grade in number? It is text. Okay. Click on OK. Okay, that's it. So 6 data items we read. Next, move that start and end to middle of your screen. Just move. We need some space. Yeah. Still more you have to move. Yeah. Wait. Say. Left there. Leave there. Leave there. Okay. Now what to do is, you have to take multi calculation. One multi calculation. Yeah. There only. Play. Keep there. Double click it. So there you have to keep. Uh, Click on add. Click on add. Drag 3 subjects. Subject 1. Subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3. That's it. Click on then store in total. Store in total. Yes. Go for another add. Because of two expressions we are using, total divided by, drag total. Yeah, total divided by 3. Click on OK. Okay, that's it. Click on OK. Okay. See, this is the multi calculation we done. Next, go for choice. Drag the choice. Yeah, keep there. Okay, see, choice we have choice and what is that last one you are connecting? Otherwise, right? Otherwise, that is the default you are getting. So now double click on choice one. See what you get here is you need to add more number of choices, that is choice name and choice calculation. So go for add, or you got it, add choice name you have to give. So my choice name first I was taken as grade A. Type grade A. In the choice calculation, go to numbers where we have to take total or average. Yeah, yeah. Average we have to drag the average, which is greater than 90. Yeah, greater than 90. A and D and type A and D and symbol greater than 90 and again drag average. Type and symbol, not sorry, not symbol. Type letters A and D and average less than 100. Okay, this is the first choice, and my choice name is grade A. Don't give any space between and 90. There is no spaces. Remove that spaces. Okay, then go for another choice like grade B. Okay, replace the values 90 with 80 and 100 with 90. See, for average, you are getting some space, right? Remove that space. Are you dragged or are you copying? Okay, no problem. Then carry on. Okay, no issue. But in the previous one, you won't get space. Here you are getting. That's what I'm asking. So drag it. No issue. If you there, okay. Greater than 80, greater than 80, and average less than 90. So like that, you have to create grade C. So this is the way to create choices, ma. This is how you are creating choices. Yeah, ma, I'll tell again. Wait a second. Some student is asking multi calculation. Okay. Wait a second. So you given all the choices with the choice criteria. Then click on OK. Okay. So then this is the way to create choice. Now you can see on your screen between choice and otherwise you have four choice symbols. Because of that we are created four. Previously it is a straight line. After creating four choices we have only four boxes visible. Okay. Now now uh, take five single calculations. Five single calculations. Keep there. All should be in the same row. Five calculations. Five calculate. Double click on cal one. So in cal one, what we need to display? We are calculated by using choices. In cal one, I was displaying my message as grade A. So in the expression part, you just give in double quotes grade A. Type double quotes. Type grade A. Uh, Store result in student grade. Very good. Okay. Then do for all. Remaining also next is grade B. See in the expression if you are not putting double quotes, it won't take as a text, because of in the expression we need to give some mathematical calculations. So irrespective of that, we are passing message here. Okay. And last, you just give invalid. That is the default one. Just give invalid. Store result. Okay, done, right? Okay. So now you have to start move end to. Wait a second. End should be kept somewhere, because of otherwise also need to be connected with the end. Okay, ma, you should drag.
Keep left of calculations.
Yeah, end. Keep left to calculations end. Middle of all calculations. Not there. Left and mid, not there. Still left. Yeah. Okay. Now start connecting. Start to multi calculations. So leave there. So first choice will be connected. See, it will appears grade A. Is there any message comes grade A? Yeah, first choice is grade. Like that, you have to connect all grades. So last choice will be connected to otherwise, because otherwise is the last invalid case, right? So now again, all the cases will be connected to end. Can anyone tell me why all the cases need to be connected to end? Can anyone please respond?
To stop the process, ma'am. One grade will store in the time.
Yeah, only we have n number of choices, but it will have only one choice to execute. It won't take more than one choice. Because of that, at one choice satisfied, it moves defaultly to end, so that all choices will be connected to end. Okay. Then reset ma. Click on reset. Not stop. Ayyo. Without resetting. See how many errors. How, is there any errors? 5 errors. What is that? Choice invalid expression in choice one. What happened? Double click on that. Okay, go to. Wait a second. Everything is on choice one. Validate. Okay. Go to calculation one. No, don't give any space, ma. Grade hyphen or just take grade A. No, repeat it for everything. Reset it. Now again, how many errors?
Ma'am, I think the error is in choice stage, ma'am.
Ma'am, in calculation, choice stage.
In
Open
choice, there
choice
is an
and
error, right? Open choice, ma. Open choice.
In choice,
Ma, go to
in
choice.
choice also he wrote grade A na ma'am spaces.
Yes. No space he is given.
ma'am, and must be in capital and before and after and
No ma'am, for end also you have to give spaces, ma'am. For
yes,
grade A,
ma'am,
no
and
space.
should be capital.
And should be capital. No need of capital.
No need, ma'am. Normal and also coming, ma'am. For grade A, he gave spaces, ma'am.
He gave spaces, huh? Are you given spaces?
Before and after.
Choice names, ma'am. Choice names.
Choice No, he didn't given space, I think so. Yeah. First see, average, there is a space, ma. You remove that space. While you are dragging, it will come like that. Yeah. Next average also, remove the space. Next, no, not there. Yeah. Remove that everything.
Ma'am, issue cleared, ma'am.
Okay, ma?
Ma'am, the issue is we need to give space between and average in choice criteria, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait a second.
We need to
So-
give space between and.
Yes, I'll come to it. Because of we need to show all the errors. How errors are coming by given the syntax like this. Okay, click on OK. Run it. See, still 5 errors. Still 5. You are running now. Okay. Data missing. Data average is missing. Okay. Then go to okay. See, you just correct the and
Once erase average and once drag it, man.
yes. But there is no space need to given for and. I think so. No need to give space between and. Yes, ma. You just drag that average in choice. No, not here. In choice.
Ma'am, we need to give space between average and end, ma'am.
Yeah, you compulsory. Are you tried?
Yes, ma'am. I can answer, ma'am.
Okay.
I got
Give the
answer.
space. Okay. Give the space, ma. For and. Okay, let's see. Okay. Reset it. Still 5 errors. Wait, don't run. I think average need to be dragged. Invalid expression. Yeah. Average. Yeah. You just drag again, ma. That average dragging is the problem. It will come sometimes spaces. Delete it everything.
Capital and everything is okay, but and should be capitalized.
No, ma. No need. And need not be capital.
Ma'am, I did that. It's working for me.
Okay. Anyway, it is not case sensitive. It will take.
Ma'am, it's
Average
less than or
grade.
equal to, ma'am.
What, ma?
Ma'am, only one choice should be given, ma'am.
It's less than or equal to, ma'am.
Okay. We'll give. Okay, ma. Those who completed, no issue. You can give less than equal to, ma. Less than equal to, in the next condition, less than equal to 100. Yeah. The first one is same.
Reverse.
My students, those who completed, you can try for n students using this choice. Now we are calculating only one student. Go for n students. Students, you can practice for n students. Click on OK. Reset it. Don't run. Reset it. See, one error is there. Data item does not exist. Where is that? Main page. Data 1 is not referenced. Is there any data 1? Check in your main page. Some additional data 1 is there. Somewhere it you dragged, I think so. Yeah, the data 1 need to be there. Yes. Now reset it. Reset it. Reset. See, students. Wait a second. Students, see. If any additional data item you move to the main page without referencing that, without referencing means without using that variable in your process, it will come the error like that also. See, data 1 is there, we are not referred. That is an error like data 1 is not referred. So, unnecessary variables we won't place in the screen. That is in your process. Okay. So, now errors are 0. Then run it. Say it is running according to that marks. What is the grade? Grade C will be displayed because of only one student marks we are taken and one student grade will be displayed. Ma, can you go for multi calculation? Ma? Some students are asking. Double click on multi calculation. See students, now this is the process to be created. Errors will come, no issue. So in the multi calculation, drag the 3 subject marks, means that add the 3 subjects and replace it in total. And in the next calculation, you just click on add total divided by 3, store it in average. This is a multi calculation. Now go for cal 1. Ma. Students are asking, go for cal 1. So in the first step, first calculation. No, first calculation, you just display the grade. This is not an expression. It is a text to be displayed. In the cal 1, take grade A. Result should be stored in student grade. So like that, every calculation, 4 choices we have. Grade A, B, C, D. Last grade is invalid. Click on OK. Last grade is invalid. That is to be connected with otherwise. Okay. Okay, students. Students, is any doubts? You can proceed with n students.
Ma'am, it is
So,
showing
can
that
anyone?
it calculate 1, ma'am.
For whom it is showing 809?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the error, ma? What is the
Stage 2 store result is does
can
not
stop
exist is showing.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Raise your hand, ma. 808, right? 810. Are you raised?
1 second, ma'am.
What's your number? Tell me.
30809.
You raise hand first. Eight 809, are you raised?